Hello guys, I'm Ahalin Kaz to tell you in this tutorials how to fix any iTunes that is not configured with any iPhone's device that doesn't connect with any iPhones. In that condition, how do you repair or how do you connect especially with any iPhone? So see guys here, this device has been connected with PC with the help of data cable. When we will go for an administration, that is iTunes. Now, after assessing a data, it's a C, there is no configuration and connecting. So in that condition, how would you especially connect with iTunes with any iPhones that you would like to connect? So in that condition, see, I would like to tell you here, there is no error of data cable. Data cable is working, but however, this iTunes is not connecting. So in that condition, we will have to repair this iTunes. So how would I repair? Just we will go for an administration, that is a 3U tool, and see here this device is also not connecting on this especially 3U tool also. So we will come in a toolbox, we will come in a utility, and we will go for repair the driver. So let's see now. It has started to download and check it out. Because it's very essential to have the good configuration on a 3U tool as well as especially iTunes or Imagine PC, any iDevice mobile management tools that we are trying to use to bypass the iCloud activation lock links. So here, firstly, we will repair of this configuration in a Apple database server and the phone. Then we will go for unlock. So next tutorial, I will show you that how you connect, how you bypass of iCloud activation. Now here, uninstall the old driver files that has been stored in the system. Because of this, maybe especially it's not going to configure with iTunes. So due to bug viruses, it's happened sometimes. So now see, it's a given beep. It means now it's going to connect because on a 3U tool, it has been connected finally. As we see here, now device has been connected. Now once again, we will go for here disconnect iTunes and then we will go for connect iTunes. So now see here, it has started to connect to these iTunes because let it access the data. So how easily this iTunes has been repaired. Now it's taking a time here guys, don't worry. That conditions, what we will do, we will have to wait, but the finally this device has been especially now connecting. See here, I disconnect and we will connect once again. So see here, this sign is coming so that this iPhone has been connected, but on this iTunes is having a little bit problem still. And see here, it's going to hang the totally. So how would I? Firstly, we will have to close this iTunes once again because it has been freezed. So in that condition, take another iPhones, any that is especially old iPhone or second hand, and then of course we will come on here. We will connect to these ones especially, and we will come in especially 3U tool, and upon we will come in a music to of course we will come in a file to here is easy to we can close iTunes, and upon of course once again we will go for run as administration, that is especially iTunes. Let's see. So 3U tool is a connecting fines now, no problem at all. So just we will close, we will come on a here, we will exit from this 3U tool, and upon of course once again we will go for an administration, that is iTunes. Let's now check it out that it is functioning or not. Now see, it will access the data here, but now still it's now once again it has been freezed guys. So once again we will go for here, fix it. Let's come in especially 3U tool, and of course we will fix it. Maybe we need a repair second time. We'll go for here. Again and again, guys, I don't know actually. This 3 tool, sorry, especially iTunes is a phrasing. Just almost done. This is the second time that I repair of this. We will go for here. Now we can close this once again. How can I? We will text the another phones because this iTunes is a completely freeze. We are unable to close this. See? So we will come once again on a music to here. Import to. We will have options to either close this iTunes. Now we will back and we can close it. Then once again we will go for here. Go for another administrations. Now say it's open when we connect to this. Now see here. Now it's assessing a data. Now see, it's finally it has been worked. So this is a task where that you can repair of your iTunes if it has been crashed, damaged, not connecting with any special iPhones on them. So thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye. And how do you unlock iCloud activation lock links from any iPhone device? That video, of course, we will record today. So on that, also you can watch it and you can be the veteran to wipe out the iCloud activation lock links free of course at your homes. So check it out below the description. There is a video links. So thank you for watching Technology Welfare.